Greetings, culinary aficionados. Today, join me in a flavorful exploration of pork dishes. Get ready to embark on a pork-tastic journey. Recipe 1. Maple glazed pork chops. Our culinary journey commences with a sweet and savory delight: maple glazed pork chops. Gather these ingredients: pork chops, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, garlic, thyme, salt and pepper. Let's start glazing those chops. Cooking instructions for maple glazed pork chops. Season pork chops with salt, pepper, and thyme. In a bowl, mix maple syrup, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and soy sauce. Brush the glaze over the pork chops and bake until caramelized. Recipe 2. Pulled pork sliders. Next up, let's venture into the world of slow-cooked goodness with pulled pork sliders. Gather these ingredients: pork shoulder, barbecue sauce, slider buns, coleslaw, pickles. Prepare for a finger-licking slider experience. Cooking instructions for pulled pork sliders. Rub pork shoulder with your favorite barbecue seasoning and slow cook until tender. Shred the pork and mix with barbecue sauce. Assemble sliders with pulled pork, coleslaw, and pickles. Recipe 3. Honey garlic glazed pork stir-fry. Let's stir things up with a quick and flavorful honey garlic glazed pork stir-fry. Gather these ingredients: pork tenderloin, sliced, broccoli, bell peppers, honey, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, rice or noodles. Get ready for a wok-tossed sensation. Cooking instructions for honey garlic glazed pork stir-fry. Stir-fry sliced pork in a hot wok until browned. Add broccoli and bell peppers, stir-frying until vegetables are tender crisp. Create a glaze with honey, soy sauce, minced garlic, and ginger. Toss everything together. Serve over rice or noodles for a delightful stir-fry experience. Recipe 4. Pork tenderloin with apple chutney. Let's explore the combination of sweet and savory with pork tenderloin and apple chutney. Gather these ingredients: pork tenderloin, apples, red onion, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, cinnamon, cloves, salt and pepper. Prepare for a symphony of flavors. Cooking instructions for pork tenderloin with apple chutney. Season pork tenderloin with salt, pepper, and sear until golden brown. In a saucepan, cook apples, red onion, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and cloves until softened. Serve the pork with a generous spoonful of apple chutney. Recipe 5. Cajun-style pork jambalaya. Our culinary journey concludes with a spicy and hearty Cajun-style pork jambalaya. Gather these ingredients: pork sausage, pork loin, diced, rice, bell peppers, onion, celery, tomatoes, Cajun seasoning, chicken broth. Prepare for a soulful jambalaya experience. Cooking instructions for Cajun-style pork jambalaya. Sauté pork sausage and diced pork loin until browned. Add bell peppers, onion, and celery, cooking until vegetables are tender. Stir in rice, tomatoes, Cajun seasoning, and chicken broth. Simmer until rice is cooked. Enjoy this spicy and flavorful Cajun delight. And there you have it: 5 tantalizing pork dishes to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary excursion of crafting pork delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating memorable meals.